Okay, so hello everyone. This is day 18 of TRF framework. Okay, so today we will learn about ordering concept. So ordering means ordering could be ascending order, descending order. Okay, so on the behalf of what we want to perform this ordering. So we can perform this ordering behalf of employee number. We can perform ordering based on the salary, employee salary. Okay, so that's what we are going to understand today. Okay, so let me open that project. Okay, so in the last video we worked on this project. So simply in the same project we will work again. So here we added one REST framework filter search. Okay, filters dot search filter we have added. So for performing ordering we have to add one more thing here, which is, we can say, filter ordering. Okay, so how to add? Just write here rest underscore framework. Okay, and then we have to write here. Okay, so in the same we have to write dot filter dot filters dot ordering filter. Right, so this is what we have to do in our settings. So let me just write here. Okay, so and then go to the views.py file and mention as per which column you want to perform the ordering. So go here in views and we'll comment this and we will write here ordering fields, FIELD fields. Okay, so based on employee number and based on employee salary, we want to perform what? We want to perform ordering, ascending order or descending order. We have to see. Okay, so let me just run the server one more time. So it's running. Just go here. Okay, just click on filter. Okay, so it is saying ascending order employee number. So it is coming from 101. Okay, okay, so this is the count actually. This is not employee number. So here is the employee number. So employee number is what? 40 is coming. Then 1081 is coming. Then 1116 is coming. Okay, so like that. Okay, if you want to do the this, if you want to show employee number in descending order, you can see. So this is the highest employee number. Okay, and then second employee number is less than this. So like that it is performing. Let's suppose based on salary ascending order, we can perform the filtering. So this is the least salary we are providing to this employee. Then we have like how much it is, 10,057. Okay, and then it is increasing and increasing. Let's suppose if you want to see the highest salary, so just apply the descending salary, descending. So 77,000 is the highest one. Okay, then second highest is what? 19,910. Okay, so like that it is performing the filtering. I'm not filtering but ordering. Right, so like that you can mention as many columns you want for the filtering. So those you can mention.